Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you a natural hair twist out, but first I'm going to do a scalp treatment. I've had a really dry, itchy, flaky scalp lately, so I've been trying this new PRAMＡSANA scalp treatment by EZY. I'm going to start by sectioning my hair off in about 4 sections. The first step of this scalp treatment is the exfoliator brush, and it has loops on the end specifically designed for your scalp so that you can safely remove or lift any dead skin sitting on the surface of your scalp. So I'm parting my hair in small sections, and then I'm using that brush directly on my scalp in circular motions in every section. The second step of this treatment is going to be a scalp cleanser. So I'm going to pretty much take the same method and part my hair all over in those small sections. And I'm putting that directly on my scalp, and as you can see, it's lathering up. If it does not lather, you probably got it on the roots of your hair. You want this product on your scalp, not your hair. You want to do somewhat small sections so that you make sure you cover all of your scalp. Once you make it through all 4 sections, you can go ahead and shampoo your hair. This is the shampoo that I use. I just did this in the shower. This is EZY Color Conserve. I've had this I enrolled in EZY April 2015. I bought this sometime during my tenure there. It's still probably about this much left. And I know when I first started using this that I was using way too much of it because you don't need a whole lot of it. This is the conditioner that I use. This is actually from my boyfriend, but I've been using it. This is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner with coconut milk, and I'm not even gonna try to say that, but y'all know where to find this. Walgreens, CVS, Target, I believe. But it makes my hair feel really, really soft. And I've been trying to, I usually wash my hair in the shower because it's easier. I've been trying to make sure I rinse my hair with cool water when I condition because that locks in the moisture. If you get your hair done, I know your stylist tells you this all the time. It's true. And it really makes a difference when it comes to styling your hair, especially if you're doing blowouts or silk presses, or if you're straightening your hair, if you're going to use heat. You definitely want to follow those instructions. This is the comb I'm going to use. This is a Paul Mitchell comb. It's really, really sturdy. I'm not going to tug on it and play with it too much because I don't want to break it, but I bought it because it looked like it was sturdy and it was unbreakable. I also have this one, but you can see this one is way more flimsy, and I bought this from Armstrong McCall. I don't know if they have them at Sally's, but probably only Pro Beauty stores have these, and they're awesome. The third part of the scalp treatment is the concentrate, and this is like a serum for your scalp. You just go through basically and put little dots all over your scalp and rub it in, and that's what I'm going to do next. For my edges, I'm going to use the Main Choice. This is biotin infused styling gel, but it's supposed to stimulate hair growth and strengthens it and all that good stuff. It has some other great vitamins and properties to it. I find it perfect for those days where I just want to slick my hair back and put it in a ponytail, kind of like Eco Styling Gel, but a little bit heavier. And for the actual styling part, this is probably one of my most favoriteest natural hair products, alongside Miss Jessie's, and this is Uncle Funky's daughter. Very strong. They're a Houston-based product line, and they're a Black-owned company, and they're awesome. And they are now in Target. They have another size. It's a little bit bigger, but I think you have to order it online. But this size is only $16, and I think the other one, it used to be $20. I don't know how much it is now, but a little bit goes a long way. And this product is so amazing. Like, it has such a great curl or hold to it. It just keeps your curls so perfect. Like on day 2 or 3 of your twist out, you can just kind of spritz it with water and it'll reactivate the product, and you can just kind of run your fingers through it. It'll still give you a nice curl until you decide to, you know, redo your twist out. And if you do your twist out, just slightly dampen your hair and use tiny bits of this. Comb through it and retwist it, and you're good to go. This works for all hair types. I'm almost 100% sure. It says for kinky, curly, and wavy hair textures, and it is a vegan product. I'm all about using all natural products in my mane and on my skin for that matter. Last thing you'll need is, of course, a rat tail comb. So you can also use one of these. And lastly, I have this. Yes, it was glass cleaner in here. Yes. I don't care. Call me ghetto, call me hood, call me wretched, whatever. Judge me, I don't care. It works. I was getting tired of buying spray bottles. I bought like 3 or 4 spray bottles back to back.
and they all broke on me. I had this thing for a few years, and honestly, I just rinsed it out really good with hot water. I washed it out. I put soap and water in here. I shook it up real good. I did that like 3 or 4 times until the smell was gone, and it's lasted me forever. So I'm not buying no more spray bottles.
Old Windex bottles is the lick. Tell them I said it.
I'm gonna go ahead and start on my hair.
I love the way this conditioner leaves my hair feeling and smelling. I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair again into those same 4 sections. And then I'm gonna part each section again with about the same width I used with the scalp cleanser. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply the scalp concentrate. And I'll be honest, I did quite overuse this product. You only need small amounts of it. And anytime you get a product that has a small bottle and the price point is pretty expensive, that usually implies that it's highly concentrated and you don't need much of it. So you want to use it kind of sparingly. I did twist most of my hair off camera. You can see my scalp is nice and clean. There's no present dead skin anywhere. And this is the amount of product that I'm using for each strand. Not very much at all. You can see it's kind of slimy in texture. I did have a towel on my lap to wipe in between twisting because it will leave your hands really sticky feeling. So I'm finger parting each strand as evenly as possible. And I'm combing it out throughout the length of the twist so that I can make sure my hair stays detangled. And this is a much healthier way to twist your hair, obviously, because it's not tangled, but it also leaves you with a more smooth twist and a longer lasting twist. So I'm finger parting each large section evenly, and then parting each of those strands evenly to create my twist. You just want to make sure you comb it out throughout the twist to make sure it stays detangled. And when you get to the ends of your hair, you should be able to twirl it around your finger and get it to stay. If your hair is freshly cut or trimmed, it may not hold as well. You may have to use a brush to kind of brush it around your finger. And those other 2 funky ones that looked kind of crazy, I did retwist those off camera. So this is what it looks like all twisted up. I tried to do them pretty small so that this would last longer. If you have some in the back that have dried a little bit, they may try to unravel a little. Just retwist them. I'm going to sleep on it for maybe 2 or 3 days, maybe 4, and I'll come back and show you guys the results. So it's been a few days, and I'm going to take this Curls oil. I'm going to coat that all over my hands and my fingers so that when I unravel my hair, it also gives my hair some oil, and it gives a nice sheen and a gloss to each twist. You can see I'm just twisting it in the opposite direction, and those twists are just coming apart so easily. You should be able to slide your finger right through it to get them to come undone, and then at that point you can separate each strand until your hair is as fluffy and as big as you want it to be. After you've separated all the strands to your liking, you can go in with a hair pick. I'm using a wide tooth comb that has some strangely long teeth, and I never could find a good use for it, but I think it's actually a pick. I'm just sliding into the scalp and then lifting to give my hair some volume. You can use any wide tooth comb. It should be able to give you the same result. And I did go back over my edges with that product from the Main Choice, that styling gel, to just kind of lay everything down and take away some of the fuzziness. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. I hope this was helpful. You should definitely try Uncle Funky Starter products. They have other amazing products as well, other than the Curly Magic. If you guys would like to see how I did my makeup, I have another tutorial coming for that. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, share it to your friends, and comment down below for questions or any other suggestions on anything you'd like to see me record. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks.